If you want to make your X.com or Twitter account private, this is the fastest way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to protect your posts and control who can see your content. This is perfect if you want a little more privacy, fewer strangers viewing your posts, or just a more personal experience on the platform. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's get started. First, open X.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a More option with the 3 dots icon, so click that first. A menu will pop up, and from there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account privacy and safety controls are located. Now that you're in Settings and Privacy, look through the central menu and click Privacy and Safety. This is the section that controls how your account behaves publicly and privately. On the right side, under the Your X activity area, you'll see an option called Audience, Tagging and Media. Click that to open the privacy controls for your posts and interactions. Next, find the checkbox next to Protect Your Posts. This is the key setting that makes your X account private. When this option is enabled, only people who follow you and whom you approve will be able to see your posts. So go ahead and click the checkbox to turn it on. After you click it, X will show a confirmation pop-up. This is just asking you to confirm that you really want to make your posts private. Click Protect to finalize the change. Once that's done, your account will be protected and your future posts will no longer be public to everyone on the internet. Keep in mind, making your account private changes how people can interact with your content. New followers may need approval, and your posts will be limited to approved viewers only. So if your goal is to share updates with a smaller audience, this setting is exactly what you need. That's it. You've now made your X.com or Twitter account private in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more social media privacy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.